Hi Chad, welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It is Saturday, June 3rd of 2023. We are back for our first normal stream in a while. First time value of normal. The plan for today is to continue working on my TypeScript port of my kenken game. Assuming that I actually do that and don't get distracted with something else and do something entirely differently, but that's the plan at least. Yeah. Let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we'll, I guess we'll get started. I'm a little sleepy today. I just got back from the gym. I went climbing, which is why my hands are angy, but what are you gonna do? Let's see. Steve Bandito was first today. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Beldoth is also here. Is that a small ant emote? That looks like a small ant emote. It is a small ant emote. Battlestorm's also here. Hello, hello. Raisin, good to see you again. Thank you for the resub at 16 months. We will replay that real quickly once I open up my dashboard because I totally forgot to open that up. There we go. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Mirkovic, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Steven Newton says, Anthony writes ports for Android games to TypeScript. Yeah, sort of. It's basically a rewrite though. I'm not gonna try and port. Maybe I might keep some of the board logic generation stuff, but I don't think I'm going to keep any of the structuring because this was me writing in a different time period. Bitvestment, hello, hello, welcome back. All right, so we jump into things. The Pokemon stuff's still running, so that's going well. You'll see that we're trying to get a different Pokemon today because I got the one from yesterday. In fact, I got the one from yesterday, and then I got one more this morning. So that's cool. But I don't even remember where we were at with the game because it's been so long since we've worked on it. I do have plan.md. Tricky CSS sad face. Remember how to do touch events? Oh yeah, touch events. Right. But let's open it up and see where it was actually at. Ah, yes. A totally working game. Perfect. Selb says, is this Android game released? It is. However, due to DMCA, well, not even DMCA, due to alleged trademark violation, it was removed from the Play Store. But you can still build it from source and play it. I can show you I guess I should have Android Studio so I can show you the game actually working. Ray says, do we have native converters Kotlin to Swift or vice versa? Develop in one language, port to another? I don't know of such a thing that exists like that. But it does not preclude it from not existing. But yeah. Need Job Coder, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Investment says, did you go to school for computer science? As somebody who doesn't know how to code, and all the stuff you do seems so complex. I do have a computer science degree. However, I had my first job as a software engineer before I had taken any formal class. So I don't really think, I don't think school didn't teach me much. We'll put it that way. School, I guess, taught me, or strongly encouraged me to use a different programming language. But I wouldn't say that I learned from school. CS degree is a formality. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna go self-taught. I just got my math 3. Ah, this guy also thought about getting a math degree, and then I looked at what I would be doing after school or after graduating, and it was basically like more academia or try and learn practical math and then do like accounting, and none of that sounded fun. So I was like, nope, no thanks. Need John Coder says, why is it in 2 parts your keyboard? Well, you see there's an FAQ playlist. Is there? I swear there's one on my channel, right? You can scroll down just a little bit. and see FAQ. You click on this, and there's answers in there. But yeah, I got mad one day and it just broke. Yep, that's exactly what happened. Let me actually run my app. The investment says, yeah, I ain't doing any of that. Yeah. I guess I am glad that I looked into it earlier rather than later, because I've learned that I have to press the power button here. Yeah, and then it'll actually reboot the app again, because that's how it works. But yeah, the idea behind this game is it's similar to Sudoku, where there are numbers that cannot be in the same row or column, but there are also these cages, these darker rectangles with numbers inside of them that either have a number and a math symbol. So like 20x has to be 4 times 5 in some way. It could be 4 or 5, 5, 4, one way or the other. 6x has to be 1 times 2 times 3 in some way or another. And 2x has to be 1 times 2. And anytime you see two numbers in a row, such as this 1 times 2, that means that the rest of this column cannot see a 1 or a 2. So this has to be 3, 4 in one way or another. If you see 4 numbers like this, you know that this one cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4. So this has to be a 6. And basically, it's an inference game beyond that. So you figure out what things are based on that. This one's also forced because of this over here. And you get better and faster at the game over time. But like this has to be 2, 6, for instance, and 6. This has to be 9. Can't be 2, 6. This has to be 2, 3, 5 somehow. But this can't be a 2. This has to be a 2 because it can't be a 5. Then this is a fun one because it bends around the corner. So it has to be 1, 2, 1 is the only way that this can be made. So you still like sometimes have cages that have the same number in them. And 5. You can also double tap if anything is forced. That's a little feature that I added. 1, 6. This has to be 2. This has to be 6. 1. And that's how you play the game, basically. Pan Doctor says 3 days in a row. Was it advent of code time already? No, I just missed a few streams, so I figured I would do a few extra bonus streams to fill in for that. Griza, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Reasons is powerful machine running Android Studio with an emulator while streaming with a VM with oh, I don't have both my VMs. I mean, it's not that resource intensive. Like I'm not even using half my RAM. There's a bit of CPU chugging, but it's barely half my RAM. Android Studio is taking almost as much as Firefox. Okay, a little amazing. Oh, it's running it in 60. Unclear what mode it's running in. I feel like it's supposed to be. I mean, this says 386, but I'm pretty sure the emulator is 64-bit. But I don't know. But a brain teaser, yeah, it's a real fun game. I'm a big fan of it. But yeah. Firefox is brutally resource intensive for me these days. I mean, I have a bunch of tabs open and some of them have been open for hours and one of them is Discord. So I feel like Discord is the chonker one. Okay, but anyway, this is what we had started implementing. We have gotten these to not work. But we have the escape key and tapping outside of the modal working. I I think I wanted to do the modal stuff first, just because it's boring and it gets it out of the way. But yeah. Woosa! Hello, hello. How you doing? Welcome back. So I don't know what I was doing. Oh, there was one thing that we were having trouble with last time, which was this for of. And it turns out that DOM alone is insufficient to make TypeScript happy with that. It complains about does not return an iterator. And apparently, you have to add the dom.iterable library to this, and that's how you fix that. So, switch to TypeScript. I'm already yawning. I am exhausted. I suddenly feel really tired, like I need a nap. But I'm gonna push through. We're gonna get this stream. No naps allowed. But yeah. So I think one thing that I wanted to look into is where's the part? Oh, I probably put it in a separate file. I feel like this call is not blocking because I feel like it would have to be some other way. But I am a little curious because I feel like it would be cool if it was blocking. Virus 2K2K, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I don't know how it possibly could be blocking though. Yeah, it is not. Is it like awaitable in some way? Show modal MDN. Oh yeah, by the way, I merged this patch that we worked on yesterday, which removed Python 3.7 and added Python 3.13. So the packages eventually built after stream, and so I was able to get rid of those. You make me yawn too. Sorry about that. Wolford says, "What's the type annotation for frame and a signal handler in Python?" There is types.frametype. This is the type for that. If you have all repos set up with mine, all repos grep signal.signal. See, output paths. It looks like I did a few videos on this so far. Did I do the typing for them though? Oh yeah, there we go. Episode 341. What was that one? The machinist says, "What color is your Bugatti?" I don't have a Bugatti, but I do have a nice car. Let me show you a picture. Picture. How do I do this? Oh. Christmas. Yeah, sure. There we go. Not exactly a Bugatti, but it's a nice car. It's this color. Oh yeah, so this is a signal handler for SigTerm. This was the alarm video, I think. PD Rete? Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. 350 was alarm, yeah. 393, oh. This one I didn't bother filling it out apparently. Very cool. This one uses a mock. Oh, this was a weird bug thing. Grampiel, thank you for the resub at 24 months, which gets you the final fancy badge until I get new ones. It's good to see you again. Thank you for your continued support, and I appreciate it. I hope you're doing well. Tobbs on Twitch says, "Damn, Anthony makes bank." Yeah, I mean, I'm a software engineer. Yeah. 469. This was about signal not working for Magic Mock. And we poked around and showed why. Oh. The chatbot has a signal handler for Windows garbage. Does this really not work on Windows? It seems weird. Add signal handler. Availability Unix. Weird. Signal must do strange stuff then. Well, where it says, I need my signal handler to report to Sentry. I was going to raise an exception, but that seems hacky. I think that would work. I think there's another signal handler in the bot. Yeah. Wait, no, not this one. This is in Babby. Right. Ignore background signals. We'll handle those in curses. Interesting. Oh yeah, this is the remove the quit handler because we found a way to cycle. This is PyPy stuff. Don't know what that is. PyPy things. There should be a different signal handler in Babby for the theme reloading. How does that work? Oh, this one. Oh, I guess I probably just didn't scroll down. Anyway, yeah, those are some examples for signal stuff. Okay. Return value none, undefined. Yeah. Open check. Dialog not close. Is there like a dialog? Dialog dot return value. Interesting. I feel like I don't want to pass return values via dumb elements. Seems a little strange. Although maybe it's the right way. I don't know. Feels odd. Analyze code. Welcome. Hello. Okay, so I think do any of these, yeah, these can all close this menu because that's how it works here, right? Open the menu, it closes it, closes it. Yeah, there's no reason why the menu would stay open. Oh, I don't want to do that. Yeah. Okay. Let's make this look better first. Which I think these will just be unordered list. Do. Yes. Menu. What is it? Like, list style none? Is that what it is? Yeah. What are you giving me the look for? What did I do? What? Are you mad because I'm CSSing? Watching Bird says, are you using any specific framework / library? Nope, we're just doing normal stuff. Baker Plays UK, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, we're just we're trying to use as little as possible. So no jQuery today. Haha. Okay. These classes seem maybe not the best. Bye. Bye. Where are you going? Okay. Alright, let's do the about dialogue. So it should close this modal and open this other one? Yeah. And they should probably have a little bit more spacing. Blah, blah, blah. We'll do that at some point. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. It's been a bit. Hope you're doing all right. Also, how does it look in the actual game? Oh, they have like a little header thing. Do they all have headers? Oh, they all have headers. Yeah. About Color Marku. Hello, hello. How you doing? It's been a while. Doing okay. Just a little warm right now. It's pretty warm here too. It's a little toasty here in non-free units. It's supposed to rain today, but I have my doubts. Also, it looks like it's gonna be done raining by the time I'm done with stream. Unless it's a short stream today, because I am exhausted. But we'll see. Okay. Seems fine. Menu is past the button and the dialogue. It kind of needs to know all the dialogues. So let's also do this. This will be like menu dialogue. Altheron, thank you for the resub at 16 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And thank you for your continued support. Let's see about dialogue. Element. Menu dialogue dot query selector about. I feel like there's two things that have about now. Yeah, this is class about. We also have class about here. I know classes don't have to be global, but it feels weird to have two completely unrelated things with classes. Why are you giving weird looks? Let me live my life. I'm not using ID. 29C, yeah. Yeah, 29C. C9BD, how you doing? Hello, hello. Who's giving me weird looks? Tina's giving me weird looks. Oh, do you not know about Tina in your room? Here, I'll... What do you mean, uh-oh? What do you mean, uh-oh? I'll find some cute pictures. What? 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 Yeah, here, I'll show you a picture from New York picture. Sure, there you go. Here's Tina when we went to New York. What else? Where's a more recent one? Anyway, my new partner. My new partner Tina, who's doing laundry and giggling at me. Yeah, fuck it. We can have duplicate classes, it doesn't matter. I'm not actually getting styled. That query selector dot add event listener. I think I need to put a bang after that because it's nullable, but we'll let TypeScript yell at me first, and then we'll do it. Menu dialog. Close the menu dialog and show this one. Oh, B survived and is now a different color. I know. Bulver's dad says, I wish I had somebody to give me weird looks. Yeah, there you go, Bulver's dad. Didn't she also dot question mark instead of dot bang? Isn't dot question mark when you don't want it to do things? I would like it to crash. If it's wrong. Is Tina a front-end developer? What do you mean no? What do you mean no? Goodbye? What do you mean? Okay. Oh, we need to... I have a script for this, right? Oh god, what is it called? I notify exec. What does it do, though? File name, command. Okay, so if I do I notify exec... Oh, this isn't gonna work, because if I add files, it'll be broken. No, whatever. But now if I save this, it should rebuild, and then error. Expected 3 arguments, but got 2. Indeed. Oh, yeah, here's the problem where, having non-unique things is a problem. Wait, LIs are block elements. Maybe I put the class on the LI, that way you can fat finger them. Yeah. Accessibility, haha. Not really accessibility, but sure. Outdated version. Hello. Says, what have I done? My bad. No, you're good. Tina is a front-end developer. That is correct. Drunk Time Lord, hello. How you doing? Savage Banana Soup is also here as well. It's giving a warm fuzzy feeling to see the joy in your face as you essentially write JavaScript. Yeah. I'm writing JavaScript, but a type checker will yell at me, which is better. How I got halfway through this and then decided to change my mind. Last equals about like... Cool. Twitch just said it accidentally unsubbed me. It looks subbed to me. I see the subs, but I don't know. Twitch is weird. Twitch chat has also been really buggy recently. You don't see any black buttons. Oh no. Has everyone been unsubbed? My sub count did drop by 100 recently. So I wonder if that's related, but I also don't super care about the count, even though I notice it. Maybe I care a little bit. Okay, I care a little bit. All right, fine. Let me live. Okay, I updated this one. I didn't update this one. Okay. Object is possibly null. No, it is not. Trust. And now I should be able to click. Hooray! Wait, why is... Wait. Have I found a bug? Oh, is this just a... What? How did I fuck this up? Oh. Oh, because I did show instead of show modal. Hooray. But there's no OK button. So you gotta add a little OK button, right? Yeah. Yeah. Is there a... Dayscraft, hello, how you doing? So, right now, if the game's running, the menu can open without the game pausing. But I feel like in my version, it's gonna pause the game. Or in, they're both my version, but what's up? You're gonna exist on the stream? Wow. Tina exists, chat. She's not real, I promise. Or she's not fake, I promise. You're taking your favorite thing, and please don't vacuum. Or vacuum downstairs where I can't hear it. A paid actor. Yeah, basically, right? Ugh, could you imagine? I'm sure that's a thing, though. Do you think they have escorts on Fiverr? Blink twice if he makes you write Rust. That would be something else. I don't really want to open up Fiverr and search for escorts, though. I feel like that is probably outside the bounds of terms of service. Man, all these modals are going to be really annoying. They're like a lot of weird state to do this. That's gotta set off a red flag? Yeah. Yeah. You've been banned from Fiverr. Did you imagine? Okay. How does the back button... How does a web page... back... Let's see. Web page... JS event for... browser... For mobile browser back button? Like when you press this button, is it the same as pressing backspace? The Navigator API? During time it said, had layoffs at my company finally, apparently because investors were grumpy. The Google Navigator API. You're telling me to Google search, right? Yeah, by Google I mean Google, yeah. No. The DuckDuckGo Navigator API? Yeah. Like Navigator events? Oh, no, it says, are we winning? Navigate event. Not supported in Firefox or Firefox for Android. Huh. So what happens when you... Okay, I'm gonna not think about this yet. I'm getting way too far ahead. I want the history? But... is that the same? It doesn't matter. I'll look at it later. Oh, can I use the emulator? What is this image that was open from before? Hold on. Oh. It's a paste bin of the of the exported statistics. Right, I used the browser to copy shit out of here. But yeah, we can debug with the browser later. But anyway. Well, Lead says daily dose of internet. I don't know what you're talking about, other than I know that's the thing, but it is not what it's not what's happening. Okay, you put a little okay button down here. Can you hear the vacuum, chat? I can hear the vacuum. Your voice is like him. You can't hear it? Alright, good. I wonder if the button will just do what I wanted to do without me having to do anything special. No. Also, it looks terrible. What's up? Are you leaving? Where are you going? Oh. Oh, have fun. Bye! What was that terrible sound? What? Did the vacuum fall? Oh, okay. So in theory... I mean, this looks ugly, but it's fine. We'll improve what it looks like later. Time's up. The paid actor is leaving. Yeah, I ran out of I ran out of credits on my escort. Fixture Jake, hello, hello, how you doing? Oh, we can probably just do this here as well. But for some of these, wait, why is there both okay and cancel? Oh, right, because okay is submit this. How are these supposed to work? The problem is all the dialogues are different too. So these are just actions, these top three. Preferences is okay and cancel. Statistics is okay and clear. The buttons are switched. A little confirm dialogue. Oh, and it just keeps you here. Okay, so the OK button is fine there. These, I don't know how they're gonna work. I'm gonna add event listener pop state, prevent default back button. Oh, okay, cool. And that works in mobile browsers too? So this one is just very clearly closed. The preferences is the one that's like different. Hmm. Well, I can probably just do. Although that has a return value. Maybe that's fine. Why is it running twice? Weird. Metal Star says, now if you want to min-max, you should find someone that does attractive people do your house cleaning service. Have them come over every time you stream. Oh, then you could claim it as an expense. That's terrible. But genius. Okay, so now this should close it. Cool. Okay. I don't know how these are going to work. Is there a way to save a file from JavaScript? feel like this was not a thing. This was not a thing last time I looked for this. Oh, data URLs. Without jQuery. What is this MS save or open block shit? That sounds proprietary. This seems not great either. I don't want a library. Blob? This feels like the good one. This feels like these. Oh, god damn it, I'm not logged in. IE doesn't support for security purpose. Well, how come? Oh god, what? Alright, cool. Choco Jacks, are you still buzzed? I only had one drink last night. It was only one. No, I'm not still buzzed, but I'm sleepy. Which is basically the same as buzzed. Time Enjoyed is also here. Hello, hello. I can give you both shoutouts, because you are both streamers. It was the 12% one? Yeah, so it was basically like 2 or 3 beers in one. But yeah. I kind of know why I'm so sleepy is because I went to bed late and then I woke up early and then I went climbing and my hands are hands. But yeah. Party last night? I mean, I clicked go live and I had a beer. It's basically party, right? But I think the source of file saver seems the most well-known way. Well, I'm just gonna do the blob click thing. That seems fine. Pretty good enough. Michael PC Gamer says just got done with daily LC. The only LC I know is Little Cup, like Pokemon. But is LC like? No, it's not League of Legends. What is LC? Lead code. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Hmm. 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 Things I have not done the leak code grind, so I don't know. macOS doesn't allow downloading blobs. Safari? Who gives a fuck about Safari? Does it really not? This says it works, right? Safari looks like it works. I really only care about Android browser. Personally. Well, actually, I guess I do care about iOS Safari. Huh. Yeah, I actually don't have to do anything special either with all of this like display none stuff. I can just literally make it a link. I can literally make these links. Yeah. These can just be links. Or the export one can be. Yeah, so this is gonna need more complexity here, but Chalky Jack says, is the name of your game kenken? So kenken is the trademarked name. My project is currently called kenken. My Android app that was intentionally avoiding the trademark was called Ken Squared. But apparently that was not enough, and the trademark goblin still came after me, and so my app is not on the store anymore. But yeah, it was at one point. It existed at some point on the Play Store. Hmm. This has to be 1, 3, 4. Yeah. This has to be 3, 5. Oh. See that now. Yes. And my game currently generates some games where there are 2 solutions, and it allows both of them. But yeah, we're porting this to TypeScript. Mostly so that my partner can play it on her iPhone. Because right now it's, Anthony, can I play kenken again? And then I can't dick around on my phone. So we're porting it to web and rewriting it to be not shit. And this is it so far. Hooray! You can open the about dialogue and it looks like garbage, but we're not doing any styling yet. Styling will come later. Functionality first, styling later. I mean, it doesn't look that pretty over here anyway, so it's not like it's worse. I mean, it's a little bit worse. Okay, so on the showing of the menu dialog, I'm going to set the, I know I just had this as a callback or as a multi-line lambda. We're gonna set the contents of the export statistics link. Wilfred says, side note, I heard you have your thighs out today. Because I'm wearing shorts? Yeah, of course. You just need to add flashing graphics and also gotcha so you can get waifus as you play kenken? Oh my goodness. This is a great idea. We're gonna make waifu kenken and waifu Minesweeper too. Oh, what if it bounces back and forth between waifu Minesweeper and waifu kenken? It'll be the #1 game ever. Soul says genius, yeah. Okay, so we need to have stats.ts. Export function. How did the stats manager work here in Java land? Statistics manager. Oh boy. Big ol' fucking JSON thing. To JSON. What is this object? Game statistics. Oh. What have I clicked on? I thought I clicked on statistics manager. I did. Wait. Where? Oh, I clicked on this somehow? Yeah, okay. Bash says, holy moly, split keyboard. My left hand can't type I. Your left hand? Oh, we're playing Type Racer. Hard mode or easy mode? Hard mode. God damn it. Yeah, well, Tina's not here, so I have a chance at winning. Although I went climbing today. All right, quick Type Racer. Oh, I'm not logged in. Oh, good. I off my password manager. There's also a truck outside right now. Why is it outside? Type Racer. Oh, but Choco's here. Never mind. We have no chance, Wilfred. We have 0 chance because Choco is here. How do I make it hard mode again? Did they get rid of hard mode? Oh no, here it is. They just made it gray. You've gotten slower? Well, we're also in hard mode, so if you're accurate, you'll probably win. They keep giving me big words. They keep giving me punctuation. Oh my god. This one's terrible. Do you like how hard mode is a fixed with font, but normal mode is not? It's almost like they know. It's almost like they know. Oh god, now it's off screen. Oh no. Fuck! Oh, I was doing so well. I was doing so well. What the fuck is this 613 sadnesses? The hell is that? I've never played hard mode before. I fell off. Hard mode is hard. You can't make mistakes. Bug Shaken All Day says, how did you manage to run that fast code with JavaScript while using Rust as the compiler for Python? I feel like you have just spewed nonsense, buzzwords. Oh damn, guest is still going. They managed to type the 613 sadnesses. Choco, be nice to us. Let's freaking go, guest, right? Oh shit. Are they gonna make it? Oh no, they died. R.I.P. guest. You did so well. Alright, with hard mode we go until I finish. Why does this have fake words in it? This one, I'm not gonna be able to type till. I'm gonna have to hunt and peck for the fucking comment in the sky. Nope, I didn't even make it that far. You were guest spelled out this? Oh, you were so close. You were so close. Oh, Choco died. It's funny because my average is higher on instant death mode, but I have so many fewer successes. I typed a W instead of a G. Those aren't even close. Where's the G? I don't even see a G in this. Wait, you got one, Wilfred? Nice, nice. Oh my god, fuck this one. We're not getting this one. Oh, W for an H. Gaslighting? Do you mean waslighting? What? Oh. Typo. Yeah, there's no way. There's no way that this one's getting done. Although Wolf's still going. And a few guests are still alive. Unless guests chugging along at 47 words a minute. Judgment doesn't have two E's in it? This might be the British spelling or the... I don't even know where the word judgment is in here. Hey, Buzz, how you doing? Good to see you again. Oh, okay, we got a short one, but it's got some punctuation and a proper noun. So, oh, you also got bamboozled by judgment? Nice. What do you mean? Oh, the shift key, the worst key on the keyboard. God damn it. I could have gotten the short one. Oh shit. Oh shit, Choco's gonna finish. Yo, let's fucking go, baby. Let's go. Good shit, Choco. Hopefully we'll get one that's not so bad. This seems fine, except for the words predestination and inevitability. Fuck! Oh, I was so close. Damn it. Choco 1-1 and then turn on the speed. All right, we'll do normal mode. We'll do some normal mode ones because I don't think I'm gonna be able to get one. My fingers are can't spell inevitability. Yeah, it's true. Funny. It wasn't the word inevitable. Fuck, what was it? It was peculiar. That was the word that I fucked up in my spelling bee, the like state spelling bee when I was a kid. And I was way too short for the microphone, so I had the largest picture in the newspaper because it's me trying to reach. We might be able to find it. It's me trying to reach the microphone right before I misspelled the word peculiarly. Yeah, this is where Choco just pulls away from the rest of us. 147 words a minute. God damn. Oh, we're gonna do one more. Twilly? Wait, what's Twilly? I don't know what that is. What's Twilly, Drunk Time Lord? I'm jittering. You're zooming. 99.9%. I'm only 2 9s. You got 3 9s there. Wilfred's 95th percentile. Alright, we'll do one more. A big old long one. Oh, Twilly is the one you're sub to. Oh. I see. I understand. Oh, were they part of your collab? Were they the person I didn't recognize? French. Bloop. What? I was in 3rd. Guest beat me with the same score? Damn it, Guest. Alright, well, GG. Thank you for the redeem. I appreciate that. And we'll back to the COD. Back to the COD now. Where's the... There we go. Sniped by you, that was you, Fizzbuzz? Nice, nice. Aquafunkalistic Booty Wrap says that was a sad showing. Yeah. Yeah. I got rolled. I got rolled. Where's the blob dot create object URL? This is what I want. Oh, but I don't need that here. I need that at the other one. Surfcat says, I was wondering, do your meta/media keys work in Linux? Well, Linux is a bit of a lie here. They do work though. So for instance, the undo button is Control-Z, and it does actually type Control-Z. So they do work. I don't use them though. But Wilfred says, I folded like a lawn chair. I'm gonna use that one now. Flip you like a pancake and fold you like a lawn chair? Yeah. Aquafunkalistic Booty Wap says, somehow during that timing test I managed to open and pop out the Firefox browser console. Oh no. Surfcat says, I know the VM trick. I used the freestyle keyboard a while and some of them didn't work. It was common and not programmable. Interesting. I don't know. I haven't tried to program any of them. There's like special software. I think you can program them on Windows and then maybe use them on Linux, but I also don't super know. Venikami, hello, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. Okay. How is the stats formatted? Should I make the stats? Should I make the JSON format here work for should I make the JSON that's here work for the new game, or should I just redesign it? Probably just redesign it. Circuit says, I made a proof of concept with pre-commit at work a while back. Replace the copy pasting of pre-commits. I don't know what you mean. Venikami says, do you enjoy writing TypeScript? How would you compare its type system from that of Python's? I haven't really done anything significant with TypeScript yet to have a good answer to that. I have barely gotten anything doing things yet. There's like some niceties. There's also some things that feel wrong. Like this. Oops, no. Source main. Query selector returns HTML element, and TypeScript lets you just sort of squishy cast this into the right thing. The function actually takes HTML dialog element, which is what these two are here. Yeah. Wait, why is this an object? Huh. I don't remember writing this. I don't remember writing this, but I guess we did. Sounds like something we did. Every type is an interface, which is messed up. It kind of makes sense. There aren't any true classes. Wolfer says, how's Mel doing? I think she's on vacation. But yeah. Drunk Timer says, Chaco's a VTuber, is funny, and watches Anthonk. Easy sub. Easy. And has a fancy partner checkmark now. Look at that. This is interesting highlighting. Okay, so the cool thing, I guess, is we don't have to do any special, like, JavaScript objects are just JSON-ifiable already anyway. All right, so what does the stats actually have? Statistics. Average time, best time date. These two are nullable. Games won, games played. Oh, and there's hard mode and not. Let's see, largest. Safe integer JavaScript. Oh, that's a really big number. Okay, so I probably shouldn't record in nanoseconds. We can probably record in milliseconds. Yeah, because the way that the average time works is, I think it's just an integer, and then divided by the number of won games. Mystic, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Well, I guess it's TypeScript. You can use real numbers, right? You can sub without following. Yeah, 100%. What are you working on that you were optimistic about? Look at the bot. Look at the bot fucking knowing. The bot knows what's up. You can use decimals in JS? You can. Sort of. Let's see. TypeScript integer types. Number. I can use big int, but I actually don't need big int. I think I could get away with number. Yeah, I think I can get away with just number. Okay. Stats. So, how do I make a type in TypeScript? Wait, I had a type in the other file. Type, stats is, wait, I feel like that is the syntax. We have games won is a number. Games played, number. We have win time, which is a number. We have best time, which is also a number, and then best date, which is a string. Yeah. We're gonna store our dates as strings. What could go wrong? Integer in TypeScript is float. TypeScript sadly doesn't fix any of the JavaScript faults. Yeah. Type syntax in TS is the same as Python 3.12s. I actually have not looked at Python 3.12s. 685? Is that what it is? 695? It's like a 6 and a 5, right? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, this is gonna break so much shit. I feel like, yeah, I'm gonna have to. Well, maybe Python style will finally die, and then I just don't have to do it. Or Unix timestamp? No, I'll just use a string. Habdam says, is there a reason you chose TypeScript? It was either that or re-implemented in Swift. Or I guess I could have done I guess I could have done fucking what is that? The language has a color in my head. But that's my synesthesia. What is it actually called? Dart. Dart is like a rusty red in my head for some reason. But then user will do anything to avoid types, including implementing something more complicated than a type system. I feel like that's not really what's going on there. Type 695 is for people that want types. Like kind of the opposite. React Native, yeah, fuck that. Okay. But these are actually nullable, and I think that's how you nullable in TypeScript. In Java, compile to WASM. Oh no. I don't think so. Kotlin, I think, can compile to Kotlin native, but I'm not gonna. And then I could take the Kotlin blob, the Kotlin native blob, and then WASM that. No, the Kotlin code is not good, so I'm deciding to rewrite it anyway. Oh, the one annoying thing is, how did this work before? Oh, it just stores an array. Yeah, so like uh I don't know the syntax for this. TypeScript array of objects. Is there a sized array of objects too? Fixed length array in TypeScript. Tuple types. Oh my fucking god. Okay, so the answer is yes with golfing, because TypeScript is okay. All right, I think we're fine. React Native legitimately gave me PTSD in 45 days. Yeah. You have to put a question mark name after the variable for nullable. Oh, so it's not after the type? No, they mean two different things. This is the variable, this is the key might not be present. This is the key might be present, but it might be null. I'm pretty sure. Right? What was the actual package name? Oh, there's the TypeScript playground. Hmm. Hmm. This means different thing though. I guess I do want number or undefined. Or do I want number or null? Yeah, I think this is what I want. Yeah. Is there a way to make a constructor for this? Is that how this works? TypeScript constructor. Oh god, why classes? What is class versus type? I don't want inheritance. No. TypeScript type constructor? I guess I could make a function instead. Oh, I don't want to make a class. I don't want classes. You want to see my program from that brainfuck entirely in TypeScript types? Yeah, it doesn't surprise me. Classes are for grown-ups? No, classes suck. We don't need classes here. What? Unknown key enter. What have I done? How have I broken the enter key in my text editor? I can't press enter anymore. What is happening? Oh, I had function modifier on. What is the difference between those keys? So this is normal key, and then if I press the function key. What? What have I done? I guess I can make that an alias though. Hey, we're working on Babby for a very short amount of time. Hooray. Function key does the special function for the key. I guess? I don't... It's supposed to do the like second pad, so like this is... Let's see. Like, I can do function and then get the numpad keys. But I mostly press it on accident and then wish it didn't exist. Like these all do funny keys now. Yeah, I don't think I've never intentionally pressed it, but is this where these live? Yeah. Sequence key name rewrite. There's a whole bunch of Windows shit in here. Key enter to Control M. Okay, so then if I do Babby this, and I put it in function mode. Cool. Oh, it's stuck in function mode. Oh god. Key enter. Also register key enter as an alias for enter. Can't you disable it? Probably. Let's see. Kinesis Freestyle Pro disable function key. Why does this look like it was made for like Windows 95? Function key. Yeah, I don't ever want to do this. Either layer using onboard programming. How the fuck does that work? Remapping keys. With the remap key, you can reassign any key, any default key action to another full-size key. Tap the remap key to enter remap mode. Where the fuck is the remap key? I don't have a key that looks like this. Oh, I do. It's up here. It creates a duplicate key action, but does not swap two key actions. Okay, so tap the key to enter remap mode. Prompt me to select the source key action, a key that you wish to reassign. Okay, so if I press remap, nope, that didn't work. Tap the remap key to enter remap mode. Will flash rapidly. Oh, there we go. So let's say we map escape to the function key. It does not allow me to do that. Okay, it does not let me to do that. Damn. I hate reading the fucking manual. I always ask, have you ever gotten like a mental health checkup? Who do you go to figure out if you have something like OCD or ASD? Usually you go to a psychiatrist. Just pop the function key off and rip out the switch. Yeah, that would work. Octavius, hello. Good to see you again. Living in empty space will be way more annoying. Yeah, it'll also look way more checked, but it is a good idea. It is a good idea. Yeah. I've caught live streams, just not in the last few months. Yeah, I know. It's been a bit. It's been a bit. Should be doable through configuration files. Oh my god. The function key has been driving me crazy. The default behavior is to toggle function mode, which turns half the key into a keyboard into a numpad. Enter V drive mode by holding the gear with arrows button on the right side of the key remap. Oh, there is a thing over there. Edit your keyboard layout with the Smart Set application. Oh. Okay, yeah, if I change it to function shift instead of function toggle, that'll work. But how do I get this Smart Set? Kinesis? Oh my god. I am terrified. I don't want the Mac one. This website looks like shit. I am fucking terrified of whatever this is. Stick some paper so you can't touch it enough? Yeah. I think this'll work. This is their legitimate website, even though it looks like garbage. The password is the first 5 characters of the device serial number. What the fuck is this shit? It's not on that side. Oh, here we go. Serial number. Alright, chat, now you all will know my password. 90. How the fuck are you supposed to type it while looking at it? RDQU. RDQU. Oh, 5 characters. Are you fucking kidding me? The model number. Oh, I did the serial number, not the model number. AB 900. That's easier. AB 900. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. This is the most fucking jank thing ever. What is this ratio thing? Oh, it's because it's a zip. Run anyway. Oh my fucking god. Before launching it is necessary to connect the keyboard's V drive by using the onboard shortcut whatever plus F8. V drive! Oh my fucking god. I don't care. So somewhere in here, there is a function toggle, and I want it to not be function toggle. I want it to be special function. Oh my fucking god, where is this? Special actions under remap. This? Oh. Function shift. There we go. Or simply close V drive, smart set plus F8. Doodaloo. Okay, did that work? Is it still in fucky mode? Oh my god. Raise the sun. Alright, we fixed it, chat. You defeated the keyboard. It only took a couple years, but I have now managed to reprogram the keyboard. Cool. We did it. Lovekey! Hello. How you doing? Thank you, Nurum. Appreciate it. Ergodox looks simultaneously jank and cool as fuck at the same time. Greensbox says expose the drive using the F8 key and the gear button. Yeah, we got there. It's 3%. Yeah, it got ratioed at 3%. Every keyboard of a particular model has the same password. File the CVE. Yeah. Anti-piracy? I don't know why they did that. This seems dumb. Like, who's gonna pirate the fucking keyboard app? Also, you can just look up the model numbers online. With a pure HTML page that starts with the word category? Yeah. Terrifying. Absolutely terrifying. Let's frickin' go! What the Kentucky Fried Fuck is going on here? The keyboard app with someone's passion project? Surely, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I believe it. Okay. Solve that problem. Now back to TypeScript land. Cool. What was I even doing? That? Right. Like, I don't remember the syntax for this. Is it colon? Why am I forgetting how to do this? Yeah, that is how it works. Okay. What did I call it here? Statistics, and then we need to retrieve it from local storage. How? Oh, we build this at the end. So we gotta do data serialization, deserialization. Blah. Hey, what's up, Marsha? Oh, I guess it's unknown. And that's the Python syntax? Yeah. This says bro press insert. How about you not tell me what to do and get the fuck out? Marsha says, are you having fun with TypeScript? It's working, it's working. It's normal. I want list comprehension, but I know that doesn't exist. I could use, what was it? Array 5.map. No. Array 5. What is the correct way to do this? There's generators? I don't know. Array.width? This is all new shit to me. Copying version of the bracket notation change. I don't think this is right. This is essentially what does what I want. Array fill JavaScript fill array with callback. Oh, array dot from. It's a new shallow copied array from an iterable or array-like object. Whoa. Why do I not see parameters? Oh. This is an array-like object. Oh, that's funny. So array.fill length 5. Oh no, it's array.from. It's the same number of characters as this. I do not care, Killer Marku. I'm not gonna use fucking shitty AI. JS has generators? Yeah, but they're like deprecated or something. Or it has generators. But I don't want generators. I want list comprehension. But yeah, they're just like function stars with yields. This isn't not what I want. Not what I need. Like in Python, I would write this as I would write this. But I guess this is how I would do it in JavaScript land. Uh, 9 minus 4. Do I write that? Are there really only 5 sizes? I feel like I'm off by 1. Hello, wake up. There's 6. I hate that I just counted those. Okay. We have to implement these ones. JS likes to be fancy. Me when reviewing JS code? Yeah. So we have to do some basic data validation here. If type of object does not equal object. Oh, actually, right. If not array dot is array object dot hard. I do normal first. or object.normal.length does not equal 6. If not array or the length is not 6, throw I know throwing strings as exceptions seems not the best. Emo says developing for Android versus developing on iOS. I've done both. Parse returns any instead of unknown, so if you use it, make sure to cast it to unknown. Okay. You know what? I'm not actually parsing the object at all. I'm just validating it. Is there like a type guard equivalent? Type guard equivalent script. I think it was inspired by type guard, so this was garbage. Oh, because there was a Code Academy link. Like I almost need a drink after that. Bill says, sometimes when I see type of, I say, wonder twin powers active. I don't understand the reference. Unfortunately. Kinijara says, I quit my current job. Taking a 2 months break. Nice! And you got a new job. Sweet! Cool, cool. X instance of? Yeah, but I want to like validate that this is correct. Unless it's going to write out the instance of for me. I don't think that's going to happen, right? Like, there's no way I get this validation for free. Yeah. I don't think this actually does things. Like, I want to validate the types. If you annotated the return type as size stats, it won't compile if it's wrong. If I want a type assertion, no, I'm serializing data, so I actually need to check that they're the right things. Oh fuck, I'm out of water. I'm gonna go fill my water. I will be right back. I will see you in a sec. Also, outdated version. Good to see you again. But I'll see you in a sec. All right, I'm back. The Wonder Twins were a cartoon about shapeshifters. When they would shape shift, they would say shape of an eagle and turn into an eagle. Oh, that's great. Wilfred says, when I'm you, all I get is wild thoughts, wild. Well, now that says, you mean something like PP Dantic? Yep, but in JavaScript? Yeah, kind of. Yeah. Essentially. TypeScript, narrow, unknown to a type. Unless there is like something in here that it's not actually a type assertion, but no, you were right. You were right. Outdated version. I should have listened to you. I should have listened to you. Yeah. This is what I want. Yeah. Cool. DM Mulroy also says the same thing. Why not make a class use instance of? Because I don't think instance of actually does anything. Yeah, I'm not using any libraries for this. Intentionally. So what is it supposed to return? I was just supposed to throw assertion error. New assertion error. Is the type checker gonna check that I'm exhaustive here? No, that's why type predicates assertions are not the greatest. Oh. Okay. I guess that's fine. I could probably just do Yeah. It's like type guard, yeah. Basically just some user-defined protections around as that may or may not be safe. Yeah. So it's only as safe as I make it, is what you're saying. If type of val.games1 not equal number. If I could spell ass error. So I'm just not nice error messages. They're not gonna be seen. I don't know why ads exist. The only use case I have for it is as const. TypeScript focuses on being a superset of JavaScript, and as a result, isn't as strong of a type system as it could have been. Ideal Gas, hello, hello. How you doing? One of the OGest of OGs. Like you, yeah, 3 years, 6 months. But I feel like you subscribed earlier than that. But good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. One of the OGs with outdated version and sarcastic Dante. Okay, win time. If val.best time equals null. Oh. If it does not equal null and type of val.best time does not equal number. Right? A noober. State. Oh. B or. If it's null. And it's. Wait. It's null. This will be false. This will also be. Oh, that'll be true. Green. Not null and not a number. Not null and not a string. Yeah. 2 options. Oh, is this something that doesn't exist at runtime? Ideal Guest says I won't lie, I only ever got gift subs. Oh. It's all good. I don't catch as many streams, but still keep it with all the great VODs. Nice! It's all good, it's all good. Don't feel obligated to show up or not. I'm just try it, but as a callout, assertion error isn't in the global, so browsers might not work. Oh. You can throw type error instead. Hey! Thank you for the sub with Prime at 4 months. Appreciate it. Not a gift sub. Wow. Yeah, type error will probably be fine. Oh, fun. Do I want console.log or do I want console.error? What's the error here? Oh, I don't think it's following that. I can probably... Oh boy. Oh yeah. We never actually used these. This feels not right. Oh god. Oh. It's block scoped? Oh, const is block scoped. Right, duh. Val is declared here. Oh, because I use objects. We're getting there, we're getting there. Oh, compiles now. Console.table like a chat? Yeah. Yeah, console.table is pretty good. Okay. So now in the menu we can what did I call the function? Get stats from stats. So we can say that Is it text/JSON? I feel like it's application/JSON. What is the correct JSON MIME type? Daniel Stensig, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. JSON MIME type. Time. Spelled it wrong. Application JSON. What is this cursed stream title? Are you doing sarcastic Dante? Yeah, it's a little cursed. Yep. Oh wait, this is supposed to be down here. Menu dialog not query select learner. Bang. Export link dot href equals blob dot equals URL create object URL. Oh, but it's not this. Shit. Oh. No, that's fine. This list item thing is kind of annoying. I feel like I should just make these blocks, that way they're all clickable. Yeah, it's Microsoft JS, yeah. It's true. Alright, let's see if that works. Element. Set attribute. Oh. Hooray. Hello there. Screen stats due to JSON error. Hooray! It fucking works. Cool. Yeah, it's still gonna do this every time until it actually gets saved. Okay, so we got exporting. Nice, we got a feature. Andrew Lane X is here today as well. Another OG. How you doing? It's been a while. Are you old enough to drink now? Exhausting says huge. Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, open file JavaScript. Surely we can do that too, right? File reader. Yes. Okay, we gotta kill some tabs though. We got too many. Oh wait, that one was important. That was something. Yeah. Jason Je, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I guess we can release this. Is anything else chilling on in main? No. Patch. My PyPI token. Bloop. Legal in Ireland? Hey, let's go. Oh, the country you're in is 18. Nice. Okay. Got that out of the way. Okay, file API. File input or via drag and drop. Reading a file, input type equals file, class equals output. Change. Yeah, sure, we'll upload a random thumbnail. Oh, maybe regurt, because I think this just spits out the content in there. Yeah. Okay. I mean, it worked, but was not what was intended. Okay, how can you make it so people can click on the input without it being there? Oh, you gotta go work on your presentation? Sounds good, sounds good. How do I do this? I want the hidden file input. Here, hidden file input file link. I think I can use a label. Oh. You can just trigger click on it? I don't even have to use a label, I can just use a link. Okay. Alright, well, let's do that then. New dialog.query selector. What is it called? Import link. Event listener. Click. We'll see if this works so far. A is null. Oh, we didn't actually put the input in there yet. Yeah, didn't you add that feature, Angelinax? The tab size feature? Nice, nice, nice. What the fuck? What is going on here? It's like dragging the window with it. It's so weird. Okay, it seemed to have worked, but it also closed the thing. Kegsit! Good to see you again. It's been a while. Thank you for the resub at tier 2 for 9 months. Appreciate your continued support and congrats on your fancy new badge. The attached modals in GNOME are annoying. It says in a posh voice. Yes. Yes, indeed. Okay, interesting. I think this click triggered the modal to close for some reason. Like here. For some reason. Import, open. Yeah, the rectangle is 0. All zeros. So you can just say oh wait, what? Oh yeah, here we go. X and Y are 0. Is this going to work? Gonna let me debug this? It is. Wait. How do I debug inline? Is there not a console here? Fuentes9, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. How do I type shit into the debugger? I guess I can watch expressions. E is undefined. Seems fake. Variable E has been optimized out. No. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, this is the target. I think I can just do stop propagation on that. And then it won't bubble out. Property click does not exist on type element. We can mark it as an input element. Input element. Import file dot add event listener. Click. Propagation. I think that's how it's Build. HTML input element. Oh. Yay, it kept it open there. Alright, cool. Cool. Exhausting says not like this? Why? This seems to be working. But then we need to actually do the file loading parts. Ah, yeah, this is just so that TypeScript doesn't mark as undefined. How am I gonna do this? Oh, I need to actually do the... Wonder Hater, hello. Welcome. So it's on change or something? My unmatched perspicacity, coupled my sheer indefatigability, makes me a feared opponent in any realm of a human endeavor. Someone clicked thesaurus and turned it up to 11. Reader dot read as text. Well, copy all this shit here. Import file dot add event listener change. Don't know if we don't care about the event. I think I'm just gonna use alerts for success and failure. Yeah. Okay. Import stats and then reader.results. Oh, except it's more than that. Try. Why is the highlighting fucky? I've ballsed something up somewhere, but that's probably because of this. Nope. I don't know. We'll figure it out later. I would like my highlighting back, please. Sort of did it, but also sort of not. Oh, I see. Try import stats. Otherwise, that seems right. Transforming destructuring to the configured target environment is not supported yet. Who gave me this error message? Oh, ESBuild. How do I make ESBuild happy? Yeah, why does it let me use arrow functions but not? Which one of these is it not happy with? Is it edge? It's edge apparently. Fuck edge, I guess. Can't find name file input. Right. Type file list or null must have a symbol iterator method that returns an iterator. Amazing mixed indentation? I'm not trying to. But I copy pasted this code. Now I must fix it. I was wondering why it looked weird. Am I not allowed to conditionally destructure? That's probably something that TypeScript would be mad about. How are you doing, MDS Ubuntu? Oh, look. Yeah, you and me both, Jesper, the end. You and me both. So it's because null doesn't have this here. So I think we can just add a guard for that. If not, import a file.files. Turn. Less angry now. Tuan HH, thank you for the resub with Prime at 22 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Yep, we didn't implement this function yet. Um, import function, import stats. It's gonna look oddly similar to the other one up there. Oh, we can probably just reuse this. And just let this raise out. Okay, so then we can just do um I wrote the syntax wrong up here. Actually, we'll just let it raise and let the caller handle it. Yeah, pretty close to 2 years, 20HH. It's true, it's true. Yeah, I can do that. Wish there was try catch else in JavaScript. Okay, how do you make a file input? Well, input with specific extensions. Oh, accept equals? Accept equals not JSON. Okay. Can I find import stats? Oh. True? Argument of type string or array buffer or null is not assignable to parameter of type string. Can JSON take all these? We can probably or empty string. It is not assignable to string. Okay, annoying. String array. Oh, I can probably just call it toString, right? Probably. Because string toString should do nothing. Ian says, I triggered unbound local error in a project. Shouldn't linters catch that possibility? Unfortunately not. Not all can be determined because it could be only in a conditional branch. It's possible to know that like you could iterate through every branch and every possible set of branches to determine if something is potentially unbound local. But you have to understand, you have to have like a deep understanding of the actual code. It's like it's close to a halting problem for it to be useful. It's like how the it's like how the unreachable stuff in MyPy is pretty broken. It's like the same problem. Oh, I'm dumb. Bills now. It works. Import stats. It does limit us to JSON. Nice. Probably alert that it's successful. Yeah, but no longer errors here. Um, Fuck yeah, let's go, baby! Alright, we have these three done. Although, I feel like stats had to do something else in the actual... I feel like it has to like cancel the in-progress game. Bye. Uh, Testament UK, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Elliptical Curve says, what's the gameplay like of this game? I will show you in 1 sec after I find this thing. It pauses the game. Yeah. It clears the current game on input, but it doesn't have to do anything on output. Okay, cool. Let me put it to do comment, and then I will. Then I will show you how it works. So it is a game very similar to Sudoku, where you can't have the same number in the same row or column. But the difference is, the twist is, that there is a number and a math symbol. And I didn't make this game. I didn't invent this game. I just wanted more puzzles, and they weren't available. So I made my own implementation of this. And you can use the top to mark them. In hard mode, you don't get the top. You just have to remember it in your brain. And then you use a bunch of patterns to solve things. For instance, 8x needs to be 2 times 4 in one of these different ways. This can't be 2 or 4, so it has to be a 5 or a 6. This also can't be 2 or 4, so it has to be 5 or 6. 5 obviously isn't a factor of 12, so this has to be 6 times 2. And then you basically just inference your way through the rest of the game in a similar way. This can actually be everything but 4, because it can be 1, 5, 6 or 2, 3, 5. This one is not super useful. This one is, however, pretty useful. This is 1, 3, 5. And similar to the rule where if you see 2 numbers that point across a column, or row or column, if you see 3 numbers like this, this means that you can't see a 1, 3, or 5 anywhere else here. It's not actually that useful here, except that, you know, it might be useful in other ways, but it's not useful in this particular column because we know via other information what this one. Also, now that we know, this is actually very useful. So this 5 divided by has to be 1, 5 one way or another. So this can't be 1, 5. So this has to be a 3 here. That can't be a 5 either. It can't be 1, 5, so it has to be 2 or 6. But it still doesn't tell us much. This has to be 4, 6. Still also doesn't tell us all that much. And this is one of the rare cases where you see 4 numbers like this. So this can't be 1, 5, and none of these can be 1, 5. So it's like one of those. You don't see this pattern very often. But does it help us that much? Not really. This has to be 3, 4, 6. I guess it does help us. I figured these 2 out from them. Oh, I didn't fill these in. I usually play in hard mode, so I don't actually do most of the things. The 1, 3. I already knew that this has to be 2, 4. Might be one that has multiple solutions. Either has to be 1, 3. Can't be 5. Yeah, because if it were 5, this would have to be 1, 3. So this has to be a 3. 3. 6. Be 2 plus 4. We have another 2, 4. This has to be 1, 5 though. So 2. And that should solve it. Oh, yeah. So this is one of the cases where there's multiple solutions. So you can see we have 2 boxes here. So this can be that. This can be that. This actually has a lot of solutions. But anyway, that's what the game's like. And I have not ported any of the gameplay over. we have literally just implemented the menu button and these bottom 3, but not any of these other ones. So slow progress, but I think we'll get there in the end. We've done some of the trickier things, or like more of the stuff I would need to understand native browser stuff for. But not everything quite yet. When will you add the Bitcoin miner to make it profitable? I don't think we're gonna do that. That's true. But I actually feel like it's been kind of a short stream, but I feel like I am exhausted. I need a nap, unfortunately, and this is a pretty good stopping point because we've accomplished so much by getting these 3 things working. So I feel good about this. So I'm gonna stop here, and we'll pick this up. Well, we'll probably pick this up on Monday unless something else comes up. But my name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So subscribe there. If you missed any part of the stream, you can also catch up on my VODs channel. The VODs no longer go up on Twitch due to DMCA shenanigans, so this is where you will find them. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is the Twitter, and that is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I announce what I'm going to do, and then we do it. I also announce them on the Discord, which you are free to join. There is a beginner's channel if you want to ask programming questions. A bunch of smart people can help you out with stuff there. And then there's a bunch of other fun social channels as well. So check that out and come hang out with us. But that's going to wrap us up for today. Let's go find someone to raid.